Meanwhile, authorities expect a zero crime rate when Manny Pacquiao and Juan Manuel Marquez square off for the fourth time on Sunday. Alvin Baltazar tells us why.
The Philippine National Police is confident that Pambansang Kamao Manny Pacquiao again will contribute in their anti-crime campaign, even for just a short moment. This as Pacquiao is set to face for the fourth time Juan Manuel Marquez this coming Sunday, December 9. Chief Superintendent Generoso Servo pointed out that whenever Pacquiao fights at the boxing ring, criminals see to it that they find time to watch the Pambansang Kamao hitting his opponent solid punches.
Sa karanasan naman natin sa mga previous fights, medyo lahat ay nagsasaya, and that includes yung ating mga criminal elements, ano. Kaya nga nagkakaroon talaga tayo ng hindi man zero, talagang dramatic na pagbaba ng crime statistics pag ganito during the fight, ano, mismo ni Manny Pacquiao.
PNP's fearless forecast on the most awaited Pacquiao-Marquez bout: Pacman will get the victory via knockout.
Prediction sa laban siguro round 8 ako in favor of course no other than Manny Pacquiao.
And just like during the past fights of Pacquiao, the PNP again offers free viewing for their personnel. At 8 in the morning, Servo said that the multi-purpose hall will be opened already, and from there, watch the undercard fights until they witness the most awaited bout of Pacman, set to receive $25 million for this fight, win or lose. For the People's Television, Alvin Baltazar.